Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Another day in Benidorm. Me and my Mike's back out on the streets again in this beautiful weather. We're only going to do one each today, I think. Of course, good news guys, very good news. The swimming pool at our apartment is finally open. Thank God, hallelujah. So yeah, I imagine when we get back we will probably be straight in that swimming pool, hopefully. Hope it isn't too cold, but should be nice. Seems like there's multiple blocks in the complex that does share the pool though, so could get a bit busy. So that is one sort of worry, but back to the video guys anyhow. Not really too busy in town today. I think most people will probably be taking a chilled day. I wish I could have a bit of a chilled day. Still a bit rough from the weekend. (2:15) at the moment, so yeah, most people's probably gone for siesta or maybe are having a bit of a late lunch or something. Always love walking through town though. Got some real good shops around here. Like pretty much anything you want, you can probably find it round here. Do of course have all your little alleyways as well, with little bars, restaurants, cafes, etc. As well as your many ice cream shops. Oh, and of course, the museum of Benidorm. Almost forgot about that. Down the pedestrian strip just up there. Got tons of different shops, cafes, restaurants, etc. Just up this sort of road here, guys. Very good. The Big Fish restaurant as well. Tobacco shop. Even a hotel. Hotel International. You've also got your alleyways going off up towards the Castel as well. And some some of the local gay bars here in Benidorm. Of course, not forgetting this shop that sells weapons and stuff like that. Not sure why that's in centre of town, but yeah, if you've always wanted to own a katana, come to Benidorm. I don't give a shit who to sell it to, as long as you've got the money. Right, did I? Oh God, I hope I've got that on film now. So, fingers crossed I got that on film. If I haven't, it was basically just a guy going for a walk with his parrot. Nothing unusual about that, is there? No, I don't think it was him, was it? Just get the temperature 28 degrees, not hot, but still reasonably nice. Still got a few minutes to kill, so I'll probably just take a look at the Dove Fountain. Absolutely brilliant. Hard to believe a few days, well, a few weeks ago actually, this whole area was quite chaotic because they had the Mercado medieval. God, that was a couple of weeks back now. That was amazing as well. All the different sounds, different stores, and all the nice food as well, guys. Has anyone seen the pink dove lately? That's a question for today. Has anyone seen the pink dove lately? Or is that just something that don't exist? Or I faintly remember there was a pink dove in Benidorm at one point. Not too sure what's happened to it, but
I think he died.
Yeah, I think it may have died.
There are some coloured ones here though, Marcus.
Yeah, anyway guys, hit the like, hit subscribe. Got me PayPal payment link down below if you want to help us make some more videos. Trying to think of what else I need to say. Oh yeah, adios from Benidorm, adios from Ultra Park. Love you all.